All right, just jumped in the car, heading down to Greensboro area in North Carolina to pick up my trailer. Show you guys all the specs and everything and when I think about it. Let's go get it. Didn't even make it out of the driveway, spilled the coffee. Great start. So trailer's looking good, as you can see here. Would be nice to have a diesel, and I'm gonna have to go to this Home Depot or this AutoZone and see if they have extendo mirrors, because I can't see anything behind me. So see what happens. It's 3:38 a.m. Just got home. Fun drive, so gonna hit the hay now. All right, home now. Finally got some rest. So show you guys the trailer a little bit. Raining out here. All right, let's jump inside. All right, so I just jumped inside here. Check it out. Looks pretty sweet. Got the cabinets up front. Extra tire, very important. So I have these lights, and they're supposed to work with the wiring on the trailer that goes into the truck. But the guy, when I picked up the trailer, said that a lot of the Fords don't come with the fuse to run these interior lights here. There's one here, and there's one over there. So I'm gonna have to try and look for that fuse and see if I can get one in there so I can get these lights running. But other than that, the trailer's looking sweet. If you guys want, I can run over all the specs and all the pricing for the different specs. I have a lot of these L-tracks that go along the side, this nice coating on the floor here. So a bunch of that stuff, if you guys want to see that and get some ideas maybe for trailer of yours or figure out what I'm doing. Another happy purchase from Kaufman Trailers down in North Carolina. So like I said, if you guys want me to go over all the specs and everything I did with the trailer, just let me know. I'll definitely be happy to make a video about that. If you guys want to see some more content on all the outdoor stuff I'm doing, the trailer, the truck, the dirt bikes, all that stuff, definitely smash that like button and hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.